Well, we're getting out a package. All right, let's go check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Venture Surplus. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Going from this side. And we're going to just cut right there and away from us. Yeah, look at that. Right away I can see a sticker. Let's go ahead and dump this out. Paper wrapping and manifest on a sticker. So let's go ahead and get this out here. Again, this is from Venture Surplus. Put that right there. So right here, let's go with this. First on the manifest is Aircrew Survival AFP 64-5. Manual new. So we can see here Aircrew Survival AF pamphlet 64-5, some illustrations. 1 September 1985, Department of the Air Force. If we flip it over, this is kind of in a notepad style. Barcode. I suspect this is a reprint. Let's see if we can get the information there from the publisher if possible. Sometimes they put it on the final pages. But you can see as we flip back to the front, it is in that kind of manual style for a lot of illustrations and then instructions. But you can see here at the top, Department of the Air Force. Again, that 1985 date. And kind of our detailed table of contents, which covers a variety of topics. Here we have a list of figures, which continues and continues. Here we can see an attachment for a spiritual survival checklist, and then gets right into the chapters. So trying to see if there's any reprint information. If I do find it later on, I will include it in the description. But from a brief flip through, you can see here the original availability from Government Printing Office. Final print notes there with summary of changes. But again, just flipping back through here, I'm going to take another look at the table of contents area and see if there's any print information. But as you can see, it is just a table of contents that begins at the very beginning there. But taking a very quick look there. Aircrew Survival AF Pamphlet 64-5. Next up is something from Tactical Tailor. Large radio pouch, new ACU. So you can see here the Tactical Tailor logo on the label. And instead of Molly, you can see there they have this raised tab to open. Ooh, okay. So it would be this edge here. You just carefully lift that and boop, it releases a little tab that would hold that part secure. You can see that goes right back in and automatically locks in place. You can see one buckle as well as a cord loop onto this portion here, so you can rework that however. Got a couple of hook and latch areas that can be attached like that as well as like that. And we can even do kind of a multiple rig, I believe. Yep. So There's various ways you can actually rig this up. However, you need to configure it based on the size of your radio setup. Let's see. But radio pouch in ACU, but more of a kind of a green, foliage green. And this is again from Tactical Tailor. Let's see if I can get that label back into view again. Okay, next up are just a couple of these. We have, which one should we look at? Let's look at this one. It's unwrapped. This one is 1,200 feet of USGI Type 3 550 cord on a spool, olive drab new. So you can see here's some numbering codes, the actual inventory codes, manufacturing label there. So let you read that. Numerous vendors and contractors do provide this. Here's a cage code actually. So this one again is olive drab. This other one here is actually a different length. This is 1,000 foot spool of ARM 550 cord in Coyote brown new. As you can see here, a little bit of shrink wrap still there under the label, but you can see here more of a commercials from Atwood Rope. The other one, a little bit hard to see, but it looks like it's from, I can't read those initials, unfortunately. Wood Braiding Company, possibly GL, if I'm reading that correctly. And again, you can see the information there. And this one, again, is Coyote Brown. So I just got a couple bits of paracord there. But working our way backwards, this one would be 1,000 feet of Atwood rope or ARM 550 cord on a 1,000 foot spool, Coyote Brown. This one is USGI. Actually says cord nylon color, camo green. And this is 1,200 feet. And this is, I believe, from GL Wood Braiding. We have a large radio pouch from Tactical Tailor. We started off with the Aircrew Survival AF pamphlet 64-5 from 1985. Again, these all came from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. Again, a large variety of items, Venture Surplus. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.